Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to build a Brickmania kit. This is the AAV7A1 Amphibious Assault Vehicle. It contains 944 Lego brick arms, Brickmania elements, and 3 custom minifigures. It was designed by John Canepa and Mary Wilson. Here's the data plate. It is a skill level 3 out of 5, and it is kit number 8037. Looks like I have set number 4 out of this kit. There's the artwork on the back of the box. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and let's see what's inside. Let's take a look inside and see what it includes. Here's the inside cover. One set of instructions. Okay, looks like there are 10 bags. This one has all the printed parts and looks like the minifigs. Here's an idea of what the instructions look like. Let's go ahead and start the build. Here's the first of 3 minifigs that are included with this kit. Nice camo pattern on them. Custom helmet. Here's the second minifig. And here's the last minifig in this kit. Here's the completed AAV7A1 amphibious vehicle by Brickmania. I have all the hatches open and doors and have the swim vane out like it's in water. 3 minifigs standing next to it there. Build turned out pretty good. I like how they use the snot technique to put the sides on the vehicle. Could use a few more studs to hold it on more secure, but other than that, very good design. The guns on the turret do move up and down a little bit. I'll show you that once it comes around. And then I'll close it up for the final spin around. So you can tilt the guns a little bit, like that. Turret does swing side to side, but with the hatches open, it will not go all the way. Okay, I'll go ahead and close it up and show you what it looks like in that configuration. Here it is with all the hatches and doors closed except for the minifigs going into the top hatches. I'll let it go around one more time, but thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.